Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And we're looking at an unusual exhaust system on this Grumman Tiger. And as you can see, the pipes go into a different collector. And this is a Piper exhaust. It's the crossover exhaust, and here's what it looks like on this side. We've got the two exhaust stacks coming down. And then on this side, the setup for the heat shield and the end plate. So this is a Piper crossover exhaust on the Tiger. Bruce Skaggs used to own this airplane. Now it's owned by one of the admins of the GPA. Makes the engine produce a lot more power. The exhaust system's a lot less coupled than it is on our airplane. And it just scoots right along, which is why this was one of the fastest Tigers in its day in racing. So it's something a little different from what you normally see on an airplane. But he does have all the field approval paperwork for this. It's a one-time. So we hope you found this informative and useful. Thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your Grumman.